Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So as I've already explained you that natural gas has already made a swing and now it is starting moving upside. Okay, after making a low of around $2.2, $2.09, we have seen it has moved upside and now trading above $1. Okay, as you can see now trading at around $3.047. Okay, and if you look at the weekly chart also, where it is clearly mentioned that it has already made a swing. Till the time it is not going below a level of $2.3, we will not say that it will go further down. Okay, but once it started moving below 2.3 or 2. We can see it can go further down. Okay, before I explain you where the natural gas can move on Monday, if you have any doubt you can mail stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, this is the swing forming at a level of $2019 and now it is trading at around $3.047. Chances are very high if this level sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $3.29 and then from there we can see it can go towards a level of $3.530. Once it's sustained above this particular level, chances of touching $3.750 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $3.950. Okay, once started moving above $3.950, then chances are high it can touch a level of $4.07. Once it's sustained above this level, chances of touching a level of $4.350 is there, because this is a gap where probability of filling is on a higher side, so chances are very high it can fill this particular gap. Okay, so now we have seen that this level we have not seen since third week of January, and now it is trying to go upside. As we have seen, now there is an upside movement. We have seen the natural gas. This is the 2-hour chart. If you look at the 1-day chart also, you will see that there is an upside. We have seen a sharp fall. You can see a green candle is forming. Okay, suppose if the price more sustained, then we can see $3.281, which is also a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can cross this level and can touch a level of around $3.5, and from there we can see a level of $3.76. Suppose if the price move up that particular level, then we can see it can go towards 3.9 and then towards a level of $4. Okay, $4.098. Once it sustained, then probability of touching $4.3 is there. Okay, and once started moving upside, then chances of going towards 4.5 is there, and then further upside if the price sustain. Okay, now if you look at again 15 minutes chart, that is where you will understand a clear picture that now it is in this zone. Okay, and it is trying to go upside, so probability is high it can go further upside towards a level of around 3.0457 again, and then further high, because if you look at this particular chart, this is the trend you have seen, green candles are forming. Okay, and now a probability is very high, we can see that probability is high, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, but as you can see that it is moving upside, but in between we have seen a red candle is forming, so you can predict that the overall trend is upside, but it is quite volatile as you can see. So always set your SL as well as target. Okay, when the market is very volatile, try to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL to twice as well as your target, so that your target should hit, not your SL. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, always prepared for both the sides. Okay, you should not be preparing that the market can go in one direction. No, it will be volatile, it can go upside, but it is always volatile. So always try to set your SL and targets, so that you should be prepared that if this is the particular SL, this you are risking, but it should not wipe out your capital. This is what most of the traders do mistake. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, then we can see the next support coming at around $2.81, and if that level also move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around $2.683. Once it move below this particular level, chances are high that it can go towards a level of $2.51, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 2.41. Suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, chances of touching $2.18 is there, which is also a weak support, so we can see it can fall further low, because this is the level which is already being a weak support, so chances are very high it can go further low, and a probability of touching $2.189 is there, and from there we can see a level of $1.9. Once the price fall below this level, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now understand something. Now understand something, why most of the traders lose money, because they try to recover the money, and in that process they lose their full capital. So what I teach in my workshop, if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. If you took 5 trades, maximum risk you can take is 100 per trade, that is 500 max. Okay, it will not affect your psychology if you lose, but what people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself, and in the process of recovering they lose their full capital. So I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings.